Hello and welcome back to Elite Dangerous. Now today's just going to be a short video. I haven't really had much time to play Elite just recently. I've been in GTA doing because I've had double bubble on the bunker and things like that, so I've needed to make a little bit of money in there. And I've done the odd bit in Elite, but not too much. I need to get back and do the passenger missions with the new first class. I have put them on there and I've got the ship over there, but I haven't tried them out yet. Mind you, I did have a quick look and I could only get like 6 millions worth, but I think that if we have a good go, then I could probably get more out of that, I hope. So I want to go back and try that at some point. I also, I've got quite a few, I want to do the Rumtar, because the Rumtar's got a new mission out for the new Guardian site, so obviously I want to go and see that as well. But before I do all that, I need to get this ship up to date with the new jump drive. I want to, because it'll get further, get more out of it. Now I have been over and done a little bit, but I run out of materials. And then I came a bit unstuck, because when I started using the filter for the material, so I could find out where the materials are using these filters here, nothing was showing up. Now I've got one showing up here now because that's bookmarked. I've actually turned those filters off to because it was a bit cluttered. Because I've been there, once I had been there, it showed up. Before that, it didn't show up, so I had to resort to a Reddit page, which I will post in the description. That gives you a couple of places to go. Now, it is working, the filter, because it's some of the systems that I've been to this one, but not recently, not that I remember. Do you know what? It's not. It's showing. Oh, it's showing a few with black markets, interstellar factors. Yeah. So the filter is working. It doesn't seem to be working for the material traders. You need to have to. Well, what seems to need. You seem to have to go to it for it to register, because I've been to this one just recently because I found it through Reddit, and now it's showing up in the filter where it wasn't before. So that's a bit of a pain. If you've been to places and they have got, because I know I've been to this system before, but I've got a bookmark on it now just so that I can find it again until they start appearing, and obviously I need to travel around some more systems, and they hopefully haven't got a dock at the stations to get them, because I have on this occasion I docked at that station to get some materials. And then I've come over to Suns to get some more materials, and this is the last lot, and then I'm going to hopefully do a remote upgrade. The only thing I'm a little bit concerned of, I've put let's have a look, let's get to a frameshift drive, go down through information. I've put a modified, so a stripped down, which is a modified upgrade you can put on. Now what I don't know is if you can't add the upgrade when you're away from the engineers, but what you can do when you can add it and then keep increasing it or keep upgrading that particular piece, and you keep the upgrade. But what I don't know is if when you're away from the engineers, if you do a remote upgrade, whether I lose the modification, the stripped down modification, which makes everything more lightweight, because obviously we want the biggest jump we can get. Now that I don't know, but before we do that, what we need to do is get the materials we're after. Oh, in actual fact, before we do that, we need to have a look, see what it is that we're after. Or did we already get them? Ah, that's right, we came over to get data mine wake exceptions because we've got one left. We can have a quick go, because we're not that far from it. In fact, let's have a quick go. Oh, that's handy, it's finished. So I actually don't need to get them. And I didn't lose the experimental, I kept it. That's brilliant, because that gives me a 10%, minus 10% on the hull, which is quite nice. So that's pretty good, but I still need to go out and get some materials. While I'm here, I might as well pick up some of those. Data mine wake, right, so let's have a look at the trader. He's in contacts, he's here. What was it we're after? Let's have a look. No. It's data, isn't it? So it'll be one of these ones. No, not that one. Shield data. Actual, no. Oh, there they are, there. So what do I need for those? I can hand in these. Oh, offer 6 for 1. That's not great, is it? I have 20. Well, 6, I get 1. Oh, do you know what? I'm going to let that go. I'm just going to have to start scanning ships. I know how to get those. You normally get 3 at a time. And you're going to have to give 6 away just for 1. Whereas if I scan it, I do 1 scan, I get 3. And I have a scanner. I believe I don't actually have it on the ship, this ship, but I have it on other ships. So yeah, I think we're going to do it that way. Yeah, that's not great. Okay, let's just give that a go. 2 goes. I don't think that's going to finish it, to be fair. It doesn't tend to do big chunks towards the end, or it hasn't in the past. Oh, that wasn't too bad. Still kept the strip down, which is good. See, now it says it's been completed. Let's hope that that actually is completed. So let's come back out of that. Let's go back in. FSD. It's done, yeah. So, okay. Mind you, it cost us. We could have just scanned that. 1 scan, we could have got that and had 1 left over. But never mind. We've done it now, but we do need to go out and get some more materials. So I'm going to need to look for a planet. At least and go and get some materials. It's only going to be a short video. That's all I wanted to really go in and see if I could finish that, the drive off, and then decide what it is I'm going to go and do next. Whether I'm going to go and do Rumtar, which I'm quite... Now that I've got the jump drive, maybe. Well, I've had the jump drive to start with. That's the point. How much have we gone up to? 4671, so not too far off 47 light years. When we've got a full fuel load, so yeah, not too bad. I think I can live with that, considering I think it was something like 44 beforehand, or maybe 43. But yeah, we've gone up a couple of light years, which isn't massive in the scheme of things, but time I do the rest of the ship and lighten some of the other bits and pieces up, hopefully we'll be able to, if I can get it closer to 50, I'll be very happy with that.